Back, everyone. So finally, we reach to the final stages of our modules, and one of the final stages post certification that you have is receiving your badge. So what exactly is a badge? Your certification badges are a digital representation of your professional certificate or your achievements, and they serve as the visual proof that you have gained some specific skills or passed an examination from a recognized authority like maybe Microsoft or AWS or a top certification provider. So what exactly is this industry badge typically showing? So it shows, your professional skills, your knowledge, your expertise on some specific technology or specific industry roles, and it is a testament of you holding a control, holding a knowledge of delivery excellence on that particular solutioning area. So as you see on my screen on the slide, almost we have got all the possible badges right now available in the context of what Microsoft offers. There are a few more as well, which I did not manage to cover here, but this will give you a fair understanding of what exactly is a badge and how does it look. And in terms of the stars that you see on the badge, what exactly it means. So if it is 1 star, that means it's a fundamentals badge. You are quite comfortable in and around that subject matter and that area of solution, and you can talk to anybody in that particular segment and understand an outline point of view on that area. If it is 2 star, which means associate or intermediate level, that means you've got a working hands-on knowledge on that particular topic, and you have done quite a few deliveries on that particular stream. So that's the achievement you have with the additional star. If you manage to reach beyond that and get an expert badge, which is a 3-star badge, it's the epitome of achievement that you can do in terms of your badge journey or certification journey, and that gives a confidence to anybody who is seeing this badge on your profile. Have a firm belief that you command that particular role. You have done quite a great deliverables in that particular solution area, and you are somebody who can be an SME of that particular topic to assist and guide them in the areas of improvement or solutioning assistance they seek from you. So what basically is a badge? Now it's a digital icon, I can say, or it's something like an icon which looks like a badge, and it talks about your achievement, as we have told. The virtual badges that you get from all the top certification providers are verifiable by nature, because when you get that badge and add it to your badge profile, these will contain issuer dates, date of the badge on which you have earned it, and what exactly is the badge all about, and how long is it going to be valid. So if any organization has a question about your badge and existence, just by following your badge profile and going through a validation on that profile, they can be assured that yes, this badge belongs to the right owner, and it's not just a badge that is claimed to be owned by him. It is actually a badge awarded to him by the certification provider. These are shareable, and they are a proud social testament as well. So you may see a lot of such badges on a routine fashion on LinkedIn, or maybe the profiles or resumes that you see or come across, which is also a part of your digital portfolio. And these are typically provided by almost all the certification providers, and we have got something called as a credential portal. Credential portals are typically platforms which helps you manage all the aggregated badges. So let's say Microsoft gave you a few badges for clearing and owning their knowledge on certification topics. There could be some other vendor or other organization who also authorized you with a badge and awarded you ownership of their badge because you hold knowledge and you have cleared their certification as well. Could be GitHub, AWS, Google Cloud, Oracle, and a lot of certification bodies where you provided your knowledge. You appeared on the certification paper and you successfully cleared it. So in that, the leading one which is specific to Microsoft is Credly. So we will have a quick look onto the badge that Credly helps you manage. But how exactly do you get it? So, as we have seen, when you talk to your Learn portal, it will have a section called as transcript, which will talk about all the active certifications, past certifications, the kind of learning modules you have gone so far. In addition to that, it will also have a local batch profile of all the learning elements that you periodically do on the Microsoft Learn portal. So there will be a lot of trophies, a lot of achievement batches. These are all module specific, and this does not belong specifically to a certification. But these badges are also equally important because they give you a kind of, I'll say verifiable badge, which typically you can also claim knowing and owning that particular subject as a you can say as a engineer who understands and delivers on that point. Now, whenever you clear a batch, typically whenever you clear a certification paper, you will be after your certification is announced and you are awarded the email with all the details of your certification status. A follow-up email also arrives in a matter of a week, if not immediately. Within a week, you'll receive that email which talks about your badge status and process to claim your badge. So the email will look something like this. Let's say what exactly is the badge certification that you have cleared, how exactly you claim the badge, an option which you will click to claim the badge on the badging credential platform, and the do's and don'ts. So this is a quite easy way to process and claim your badge. So once you click on it, the email, go through it and click on it, you will be landed into the badge credential provider. For most of the Microsoft badges, it is Credly. And you see on the Credly platform, this badge was issued to him. This is the date when it was issued. This is the badge all about. These all skills this candidate knows because he has passed this badge, and that confirms that these are the skills he is comfortable and knowledgeable about. And then the verify option, which any organization can click and confirm that you successfully have gained this badge and you are the rightful owner of this particular badge. It's not just a claim, but you indeed deserve this from your skills and your delivery knowledge. My summary suggestion will be create a Credly account with the same Microsoft link or Microsoft profile email that you have. This helps in easily maintaining the ecosystem of both Credly, because it is also very fluidic and the integration is very properly done. So if you maintain the same profile accounts, all your emails will arrive on the same profile, and then you can easily and from a single authentication you can go into Credly and claim these badges. And all your badges will be you will be kind of within the Credly platform. So let's say if you hold down the line 50-60 badges, everything can be in Credly, and it will be a one-stop shop for you, not just for all the Microsoft badges and certification status, but almost for all the other tech certifications that you may have done across different certification bodies, and you can keep a check of their validity, their renewals directly from here. That's a good digital portfolio. That's a good digital, I'll say, platform which you can use on your profile as well to show to your prospective employer or organization how have you grown in terms of knowledge and skills over the years. With that, I'll just wrap up this particular video, wrap up this module with also showing you other providers apart from Credly. There is something called as Acclaim. There is a platform called as Azure. So we have a lot more, but Credly is the one which roams around a bit across your digital credential portfolio because it kind of integrates very seamlessly with major certification bodies. So you will be very comfortable, but equally you can use Acclaim, Badger as well, wherever it allows you to have the integration with the certification provider. I hope this helped you with the information of how to receive and acknowledge your badge, make it on your credential portfolio, and use it in the future to get your certification status validated online. With that, we will wrap up this particular module and we will move towards the end of our particular subject.